What is up, fam? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is one that I felt intrigued to do after using a product from CVS that has literally transformed my hair routine. I have been partnering up with CVS for the past couple of months to go in, try some of their products. It's a really great, easy, affordable place for me to just go and grab a bunch of stuff and see what's good and see what's not. So if you guys are interested in kind of keeping up with this journey as I'm continuing to go to CVS and review products for you guys, you can obviously follow me on Instagram at Sazan, or you can check out CVS's Insta where you can see me reviewing some products and some more inspiring fall looks. I want you guys to take a look at this product right now and never forget it. This product from TRESemme is their Keratin Smooth, 5 benefits in one system, okay? This product is like my favorite right now, like my top favorite hair care product in the market. I think for me, having naturally curly hair, it's not every day when I like blow dry my hair, a rough blow dry, and it turns out like this. I haven't even ran the straightener through it, and I haven't even had a haircut in literally 6 months. It's a little embarrassing. So another product I had picked up was the Infinity Pro by Conair. And I think what grabbed my attention was that the fact that it says it's a 2-in-1. And I like that the barrel is kind of like covered on the outside with this metal plate here. It can go up to 400 degrees. So I'm gonna put it on 375 just because off the bat, I don't know how I'm gonna feel, how hot it's gonna get, how my hair is gonna respond. I am going to then kind of start in sections, but I'm not gonna be too strategic about this. So I'm gonna start out at my bangs and I'm gonna just carefully start at the roots and bring it all the way around. As I'm straightening the hair, I'm kind of like bringing it in like that to really kind of give it this excess volume and almost make it look like I didn't use a straightener. That's kind of my goal today. Same thing, just around the face. I really like to just kind of bring the attention around the face. If you just bring it in like that, it's more of like that Jennifer Aniston straight look, which I love. That's like the only reason I watch Friends is to be inspired by Jennifer Aniston's gorgeous hair. Okay, so this is really awesome. I will say I need to be careful though, because I like low-key want to like grab this, but you have to be careful because this gets really hot. So if you're a little clumsy like me, keep that in mind. So if you're wondering when to use this, I definitely recommend that you spray it in your hair after you get out of the shower. That's all I did for my hair when I got out of the shower today. So sometimes what I'll do is I'll get a brush. This one is one of those like tangle-free brushes. This is Michael Mercier. It's from CVS as well, but I actually got this when I was in Utah for a work trip. So sometimes what I'll do is when I'm running the straightener through it, I'll like help kind of brush it out with that and then bring it in. So just to see how this curls, not that I'm gonna do my hair curly today, but I just wanna see because I haven't. So if I do that, I wonder, let's see how it looks. Ooh. Well, dang, now I'm like, do I want to curl my hair? It doesn't like crease, I noticed. You notice how like with straighteners and stuff, like if you leave it on too long and you like go the wrong way, it'll leave like that annoying crease. I don't feel like this one really does that, so that's good too. I might amp it up to 400 though, just to see. See, it looks so fresh, you know. It doesn't look bad on this side. You know, this was just a rough blow dry brush through my hair. Everybody thinks like, well, I should cut my hair all the time and trim. I mean, yeah, that's great. But in reality, it's like we're all busy. We have lives. We have babies to take care of. So for me to be able to kind of cheat in between haircuts, that I have this fresh, straight, healthy looking hair, I mean, that's always what I'm chasing. So I love that I was able to do this with literally one product and this 2-in-1 hair heating tool from Conair that I honestly have never tried up until today, and I'm loving it. With the holidays coming up, I'm sure you guys are like me. When you travel, you want to try probably a million different looks. So I like that it is a 2-in-1, so you can change it up with the curl style, and it's affordable, so that's great. I want you guys to try it out and let me know what you guys think. I'm just gonna quickly finish up this side. All right, guys, and one last thing, it's my little Saz tip, is The flyaways are always out to play, and I'm not trying to play with them today, okay? I just recommend using an extra hold hairspray. This one is the Freeze Hold. It's number 5 on the freeze scale, and it is from TRESemme, but it also is anti-humidity. So totally suggest you guys try it. You guys probably already have this in your bathroom. I mean, who doesn't? It's amazing. So I'm just gonna spray it, kind of hold it out a little bit, and just smooth it with your hand. I love the way this smells. Even though it has like mega freeze powers, I still feel like it's like still light on my hair. It doesn't make it like crunchy, like a hot Cheeto. Feel me? Cannot believe that this took me less than 30 minutes to blow dry and straighten my hair. If I wasn't multitasking, I feel like this would seriously probably take me 20 minutes tops. And that is a new record for me. All right, guys, well, this might be my new go-to hair routine for the days when I want to straighten my hair. Again, it's a really easy look thanks to a few products that are also really great to take with you when you travel. I don't know what your holiday plans are this year, but it's always nice when you can pack light, especially in the toiletries and hair department. That's always why my suitcase is over. I love that you can get everything that I used in this video today at your nearby CVS or drugstore. So check it out if you haven't already. This is life right here. One tip I have before I go is when you do use this product when your hair is wet, don't be shy. Really spray it roots to ends, lift up your hair, spray it all around, and it's gonna leave your hair soft, smooth, shiny, and protected. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Be sure to leave me some comments below. Don't forget to subscribe. I hope you guys leave this video today feeling like, you know what, if you've got a Mufasa mane like me, there is hope for us, and it doesn't have to take all day to achieve a look like this. All right, guys, thanks so much. Until next time, mwah, mwah. Bye. I go to CVS for one thing. I always leave with like chocolate and hot Cheetos, and I can't help it.
Did you call me up here to watch you eat chocolate?
I was just making love to that chocolate. I'm sorry, babe. I just cheated on you.
It smells good in here. What is that?
My hair.